Translators of Media Translating team, and I have a few words to say regarding this project.
Hi, I'm Raquel, and I'm the head translator of the Portuguese translation team.
Hi, I'm Judy, and I am one of the Mandarin translators for Apply Day.
Hi, my name is Vivian, and I was a Mandarin translator with Apply Daily's COVID-19 90 Minutes project.
I first learned about the project through a friend of mine, and my initial thought was, well, this was a very good idea.
It was a great way to help in the coronavirus situation.
In my opinion, what Apply Day did with this project was right.
I had been thinking about getting involved in a project that helped disseminate relevant information regarding COVID-19.
I thought, oh, this is really cool. This is gonna really break down some of the language barriers that people have to face, especially when retrieving information from government websites.
And it is really a great honor for me to be able to work with so many wonderful translators on this project, and I am really thankful that I got to participate.
This project is really fun, and it gives me opportunity to practice my English and expand my connection with other people who are learning foreign languages as well, just like me.
I really liked the idea of this project because it unites people of different languages, and
I learned so much about COVID-19.
One of the major takeaways I learned while working on this project was that
improvisation, communication, and planning would be three big factors in the success of the project.
And so I would just like to thank Apply Day for giving us this opportunity, as I think it's been really rewarding and a really great experience to have had.